Hi, hello guys. This would be a little changeover. Generally, you people on YouTube do see me by sitting formally on a chair and explaining about things. So, adding to that with a little spice, I'm trying to do some mini vlog, a kind of, I don't say a vlog, but you can consider this as my morning routine or how do I do. Uh, yeah, that's it. So let's get into this. Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Saiteja Chalpalli. If you're new to this channel, do hit that subscribe button. In this channel, we are going to talk about digital marketing, cryptocurrency, and lot more. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, do like it and share the video. I'm not sure how this is gonna coming out. However it be, definitely I will be uploading this one. Whether this is nice or not, I should continue these kinds of vlog plus content about a topic. You should whether I should continue this or not. You can mention this about this in the comments, your feedbacks. And yeah, it's actually a Saturday. Its time is around 7:30. Okay, generally this as I do my job from Monday to Friday. On the weekdays I do wake up very early. It's like around 5:45 to 6, max to 6:10. I just woke up at the time and I'll hit my gym, come out of the gym and take my meal and do some meditation, and just I will sit to my work. For a change today, yesterday night I have done some more other works, so it's been around 12:30 or 1 o'clock which slept, and I woke up at 7:15 and it's 7:30 right now. uh, yeah, in this video we are going to shoot about a little lifestyle things what I do. So hey, hi. So today we have hit leg workout and abs. Uh, Generally it's a Saturday. I do only legs, but today I have done abs as well because I'm not doing it from last 1 month. So a very good workout session, a good start to the weekend. Uh, let's get back to home and talk then.
Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video we are going to talk about importance of ad copies in Facebook ads. So if you are a beginner of Facebook ads or freelancer or performance marketer or a business owner, this video would definitely help you. So before talking about ad copies, so let's talk about this Facebook ads or psychology behind this ads that we run. So just as an introduction to understand the concept of today's ad copies. So let's say you are a you are using Facebook ads to sell your product or service to other person using Facebook ads or anything. But let's consider for this video as Facebook ads. I will let you know why we are focusing on Facebook ad copies in today's video. So let's say you are a human. You want to sell your product or service or advertise to sell your product or service to other human using Facebook ads, right? So let's consider this as a triangle. Okay, so you are a human, you want to sell your product or service to another human. By paying, you will be paying some amount, it's basically you will be paying not some amount, more than amount to Facebook to acquire a customer or to sell your product or service through Facebook ads. So let's consider this triangle part. So in order, why I am saying all this thing is, you are human and you want to connect with a human, or you want to sell your product or service to a human. So that's the psychology we need to think, right? So when we are tackling with Facebook ads, generally we need to take care of two things. One is we should think how a human will interact or while seeing your ad, and how the machine, which is Facebook, will run your ad. So these are the two concepts. So using these concepts, these are very important that you should look into. So ad copies that we are talking about today comes into one of these, not one of these, both of these. So one thing is a good way, and other thing is definitely it will that may make a damage to your ad account. So yeah, how one thing will, if let's say you having a good ad copy, so how we do that ad copy and all, let's keeping to in the later sections of the video. So let's say you're having a good ad copy and everything is good, so definitely a human will interact with your ad copy or you ad, so that in return to that your product will be sold, right? So let's say your ad copy is not good, and you are using some the language that you are using, or the policy violations. The Facebook will be having many policies. If you are aggressive in terms of giving some false promises and these things, to make, so you will be thinking that we want to connect with a human, we want to sell the product to a human, so we may use whatever we want, but definitely Facebook will not allow that. So that's the two advantages and disadvantages. If your ad copy is good, definitely a human, the audience that are there will definitely interact. If it is not good, or it is very aggressive or creating some kind of false statements, then Facebook is going to ban your ad account. So yeah, so this whole the psychology, I'm not in this video I'm not going to mention about technical aspects. I don't want to make this video more long. Let's keep that part in next videos. So more of a psychological part, and along with the ad copy. There is lots of difference between social media marketing and search engine marketing. So social media marketing is basically an outbound, people are on social media to just hang out or just to chill, right? So it's basically, if you are advertising your product or service to a customer who is on social media, definitely you yourself reaching to that particular person to sell your product, right? He might be interested, or he's not interested, but you yourself are showcasing your ad to. In outbound, basically you can consider as three types of traffic. Not only on outbound, anywhere you can consider three types of traffic. One is cold traffic, warm traffic, and hot, right? So in Facebook, the general thing is, in Google, if you are doing, let's keep the Google aside, because it's basically an inbound, people are coming themselves, right? And when it comes to Facebook, you will be advertising, if I'm or you are a person, we will be scrolling our Instagram or Facebook, and some other person, XY person, just comes up, brand or a who wants to sell a product or service, they just comes up, hey, hello, I'm there, my product is this and that, if you want, you just need to buy this, brings a lots of value. These way they try to get our attention in order to sell their product or service. But we do the same thing, but when it comes to outbound, it's very important to take care of how much if you are, even I did a mistake when it comes to, when I was a beginner back 1.5 years. There are many freelancers or business owners who are just starting things, do think like we are just targeting the right people. Facebook we run ads basically on targeting to advertise our product or service to a particular person. So many people or beginners do think in this kind of a way. It's just about the targeting. We just do targeting and keep some image and write some text. The people will convert or give their lead, or they sell our they just buy your product or service. It doesn't happen in that way. When it comes to digital marketing, basically digital marketing itself, if you are running an ad, definitely if you should think as a marketer, you should understand the pain points of the customer, and you should mention a solution, these kinds of things in the ad copy. It's not like social media by just basically ad copies, ad copy itself, it seems like some kind of a big thing, but you can consider it like in social media, when you are uploading a post or something, you will be seeing this option to write a caption, right? So the same thing applies for the ads. If you are running an ad and uploading an image there, so you need to write a text, right? So it's called ad copy because it's the copy for the ad that we do. So there are generally we do have, as a beginners or people who doesn't know, have this perception that ad copy is something just we write something and just a 1 or 2 line, just hi, hello, I'm this and that, you just need to buy this product, some XYZ, this is for 99 rupees, is 100 rupees, simple, just a salesy kind of a thing. But in most of the cases, 99% of those cases fail. If it is definitely a high price product or a medium price product, definitely it will fail. If in case it's a low price product, then it may sell, right? So it doesn't mean that your ad copy should be like a lengthy or some kind of a thing, but there are some frameworks that will help us to know how our ad copy basically should look like, how we should frame out our ad copy in order to get more conversions or connect with human to human, and in order to sell your product and generate revenue, right? So I'm going to explain those few frameworks and few important things. Let's get into my laptop screen.